St. Lucia forest thrush has been listed on the U.S. list of endangered species, critically endangered species. That's important to us because that bird has been so rare. It's listed amongst some of the other species that we have concern about. It's a regional endemic, but for us it's also a sub-regional endemic for St. Lucia. And I've had the good fortune to see this bird once, and I've been with the Forestry Department from 1986, doing a lot of bird work since then. So we have a lot of concerns about that species. We do believe that in our efforts to do conservation work and find out a bit more about the species and how much we could do about it, we could look at others. So it could serve as a flagship in that case or a focal point, but we also have an opportunity to do other research for some of the other endangered species, like the Semper's warbler that we've not seen for a while, our own St. Lucia parrot, which is on a recovery, and which was doing so well, which the last population estimate was somewhere between 2,000 and 3,000. That came out of a census that we did in 2009. But in a post-Hurricane Tomas environment, we would like to know how that species is doing, because we'd expect that there'd be vulnerability in terms of food sources and nesting habitat, etc. So we need to know what Tomas has done to that parrot population as well. Having pulled it back from 100 in the 1970s, we'd hate to see it roll back into a critically endangered status again. So the forest thrush is an opportunity for us to do more than just the forest thrush work, but also to look at the other endangered species in St. Lucia.